This is our first trip in our own SUV, Scorpio N 4x4 diesel manual. This is our battalion. So what we have done is the third row we have folded. So we have a huge boot space. So we have loaded all the luggage. So we need not worry about arranging the luggage properly. There is still a hell lot of space left here. So we have booked a homestay close to Munnar, not inside the core town of the Munnar. So it's called Peace Valley Homestay. So let's enjoy some drive now. So it's almost 5:30 in the evening and we are probably 40 to 50 kilometers, yes exactly 40 kilometers away from Munnar, and the scene
is awesome.
And Mahindra Scorpio, what can I say about that? The drive experience is at all new level this time. Still, all of us are missing our cute little Swift, and Scorpio is exceeding the expectations.
We were so eager to witness the grand beauty of Munnar. The scene was changing every kilometer. Here is the glimpse of how Munnar welcomed us.
Where is the road, bro? You will confuse me. So this is second day of our trip in Kerala. Now let's see how the view from our room looks like straight from the bed. It's time to check out now. Heavy bags. The time now is 9:30. So the first place for the day is Eravikulam National Park. The ticket price that we paid is around 600 rupees for 2 adults, 1 kid and 1 camera. Looks less crowded and the climate is quite pleasant now. So we are heading towards the bus boarding right now. We have boarded the bus right now. The bumpy ride has started. So after 15 to 20 minutes of bumpy drive in the bus, we have just started our walk in Eravikulam National Park. Not so crowded, it's quite pleasant. So we can spot here the Nilgiri goats, also called as Nilgiri Tahr. Sorry if my pronunciation is wrong, but these are endangered wild goats. So if we are lucky enough, we can spot some goats now. I think the walk is for almost 1 kilometer. That's what the guide said. Let's see. So we have probably passed 3 to 5 minutes of walking.
2 kilometers.
Okay, my son says it's 2 kilometers, so it is 2 kilometers. Let's see. I think we have covered almost 10 minutes of walk, and this is the view. Just see there. We were super lucky to spot the first goat, the Nilgiri Tahr, very close to us, hardly 1 foot distance. So it was very close to us. We clicked beautiful pictures. So on the way you can see Kuranji garden. I think the next Kuranji visibility will be around 2030. So if we are lucky, we'll come back here again in 2030 and witness the awesome Kuranjis. So almost after 20 minutes of walk, we have come to the dead end. That's the last point, and there are some beautiful places there to take pictures. So we'll take some pics, enjoy the nature, and we'll head back towards the parking. So we have come to the echo point. Driving from Eravikulam to echo point, ideally it takes 30 minutes, but it took more than 1 hour for us. Too much traffic. So plan your drive to echo point quite early. otherwise you will suffer just like me.